The date today is February 15, 2024. There was a blizzard. It started at 5:30, so school wasn't canceled. So we had to go there in the middle of a blizzard. So there was this big, huge hill, right? So we had to go up it to get to school. So as you can see here, we started breaking like a ton because look at this. There's flashing lights up there. We're wondering like, what the heck is happening over here? What is happening? And then as this zooms in, you can see it's a utility truck. We're like, what is he doing there? There's a utility truck, and right behind it was a snowplow. It was backing up. We're like, what is it doing? It's putting loads and loads of salt on the ground because there's semi-trucks backed up the hill because they can't get up it. Just look. 1, 2, and then even more of them were coming, and there's cars backed up behind them even. And then as you can see up here, there was a pretty smart guy in front of us. He's passing in this weather. Visibility is horrible. I don't know why it's so good on the phone. He goes to pass. He swerves, and he ends up going off the road. And I got it all on camera. Bro, but he gets like thousands of points for near missing this sign. Like, look at that. Just look at that. Hope you enjoyed. We're in Florida now.